in today's video, I am gonna go plant shopping. My roommate, who is into plants now, after I gave her those 3 plants I talked about in a previous video, she wanted to go to LA today and to check out Mickey Hargitay's. And we actually just left there and I forgot to start off the video, so I'm gonna insert the clip of me in there talking about the plant that I found. I actually wanted to find an office plant, but I might keep it at home. I'm still debating. We are looking for more plants for the home. I wanted to get some for my office, but when I found this Daxus pictus, I kind of want to keep it for myself at home now, because look how full this baby is. Like, the leaves are huge compared to my hand. This is only $12. It's an amazing price. Someone who follows me. She was saying that she watches my videos all about semi-hydro. She was really sweet. Now we're actually headed to 2 other places. So the next place we're going to is Nature's Perfections Flowers and Gifts. I think that's the name of it. And I heard of this through Sharina. Shout out to you, Sharina. I am just excited to go check that one out. And then also Folia Collective, and hopefully we'll find some more stuff. Why I wanted to come here. This is a Monstera Standiolana, and oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna get it. It's $30. It's a good size. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. That's huge. You said this one? Is that what you said?
I think so. No, I don't like this outer leaf on this one. Maybe the one you just added. Do you like that one? That one's really pale and white.
It's nice, but it's not as full as that one. Depends on how full you want it. This one is really full, and that's also the same price.
Maybe I'll do
this one?
Yeah.
This one's nice. Yeah. So we just left Nature's Perfections Flowers and Gifts, and I got another plant, so I'm doing good so far. I got 1 plant at each location, but it's been on my plucket list for a while. And then my roommate got another 2. So in the car right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Am I missing one?
There's 2 behind your seat.
We have 7 plants in the car, and then we're gonna stop by one more place. We are going to Folia Collective next. going to show you all of the plants that we got. So I actually only got 2 plants and my roommate got 5. I actually showed the 2 plants that I got, but I can talk about them again. This is my Monstera standeolana, and I was so excited to find this there because I have gone to Nature's Perfections Flowers and Gifts before because Sharina told me about it months back. And I went looking for it. My birthday wasn't during the winter, so I guess they didn't have it in stock, which would make sense. This is such a full plant and it was $30, which I think is a really good deal. It's a plain looking plant because it's just green, pretty simple foliage, but there's something about it that I love so much. And when it trails, it doesn't actually, it just extends out for the most part, so I find it kind of funny. But isn't this such a beautiful plant? And I feel like $30 is a really good price for it because it's so big. I think this is in a 6-inch pot. And for now, I don't have a pretty pot for it because there's always that chase of finding enough pots versus enough plants because they never fully match up depending on if you get rid of plants or you buy more plants. So lately I found some really pretty plants at Marshall's. So I think Marshall's is the best option for me so far because I've tried Ross, Marshall's, and Home Goods, and I always find really pretty ones at Marshall's. Moving on to my next plant. Here is the Scindapsus pictus, the massive one that I got from Mickey Hargitay's. Yeah, if you can take a look at just one leaf, it's like the size of my face. I've never seen such a full Scindapsus pictus at a nursery, so this is crazy that this was only $12. It's trailing on this side and then all the way down here. This was supposed to be my office plant, but I don't think I'm gonna bring it in anymore. If anything, I might propagate some pieces and then bring it in. So pretty. Again, I need to find a pot for it. I sprayed it down with my plant spray, all of the leaves, wiped off all of the leaves, and then in the soil as well. These plants were both on my pluck it list because, I mean, I have a cutting of a Scindapsus pictus, but I want more established trailing plants, and I should probably wait until I move into our new home to get them because I just want a bunch of large trailing plants everywhere. I mean, the whole reason why I started the hashtag barely trailing things Thursday on Instagram is because for the most part my trailing plants are much smaller ones. I've never really gotten such a large trailing plant before, one that actually trails. Now I can move on to the 5 that my roommate got. She went from 0 to 8 plants in a really short amount of time. My starter pack worked. I am now filming on the dining room table that was initially long ways this way, but now we have it horizontally against the window just to have more room for plants. And I can show you afterwards how everything is actually set up because there's just plants all along this now. She actually got one too, and hers has way more silver on it. I know that the Exotica variety and the Silvery Ann are very similar. The only difference really is that there is much more silver on the Silvery Ann, and hers has a lot of almost fully silver leaves. Yeah, it's just so gorgeous. So she says this one's like one of her favorites now, but look at this one. So pretty. She got a caladium, and this one is so pretty. I think it's a caladium bicolor, but it has such delicate leaves. The leaf markings are so intricate. This one is gorgeous. It was a huge, it's actually pretty big. And this was only $10 at Mickey's. And at Mickey's, if you check in on Yelp, then you can get a free plant. They have a shelf that you can choose from if you spend over $25. So I didn't spend over $25 because I only got that one plant at Mickey's. But since she did, she was able to get this cute little heartleaf philodendron, which I do have one of these, and now it trails. I think when I first bought mine it was around this size too. And this one already has a pretty large leaf right here, and I'm sure it's going to be trailing in no time because these are so easy. I'll move on to the last 2 plants that she got. So she got this Moonshine Sansevieria. This one was from Nature's Perfections Flowers and Gifts, and this one's a really pretty one. It is so upright. The one that I have actually is a little bit fatter. It comes out a little bit more. There's some new growth here and then here. This one was $15. Okay, and check out how large this one is. I can't even get it fully into frame. This is another snake plant. I don't know the name of this one, but it's so pretty. The leaves are so dark. This one has a bunch of new growth as well. So there's one there, and there. and a little one over there. And this one was $35, but check out how big this one really is. Okay. That's all the plants that we got, and now I can show you what the living room looks like, the actual setup of how we move the table. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.